Here we are, the new topic, sampling. Look at the number of people walking on that street. How many do we ask? Do we stop 10 people? Do we ask everyone? Do we ask the women? Do we ask the men? Perhaps do we ask the children? Now, the children are considered a vulnerable population, so there's something that will come up in the ethics tutorial, and you'll need to clue into that a little bit because it's a significant issue when not only children are vulnerable populations, you may find others. But as we move forward and start to think about sampling, let's consider this. It is not a standalone methodology. Sampling fits with qualitative and quantitative research methods. It is a foundation part of your work. In the quantitative process, we tend to think about drawing a large number of people, information from a large data source, surveys perhaps, questionnaires. Sometimes you'll see it in the malls, stopping people randomly on the street and asking for information. That's what tends to be thought of as sampling and seen as a standalone. It is not actually, though. In qualitative research, you might only ask 3 or 4 or 6 people perhaps. You might interview in-depth interviews of 6 people or 12 people. And that interview process is seen as part of your sampling process. What you end up doing, because you're only drawing from such a small sample set, you're going to be very careful about who you draw to make sure that it's reflective of the population you want to speak about or speak to. And there is what sampling is all about. It's how to go about getting a representative sample. So this week we'll move forward. There's some slides there for you, and hopefully the discussions go well. Remember, it's not a standalone method. It is a part of your methodology in every research project. Ooh, I think I'm going to bundle up and go back inside. Might be a little cold out there.